You surely have some desires in your life, don't you? And you definitely want to achieve your goals, isn't it so? But sometimes you don't achieve what you really want in your life, and things just turn upside down, and you feel helpless, you feel hopeless and depressed. So, don't worry. Don't worry more, as I am here to help you out. And stay tuned with this video till the end, because I am going to tell you one of the most powerful and popular NLP techniques for the successful manifestation of your desires. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach as well as a motivational speaker. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel also. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss out on what's coming up next. So let's get started. NLP, or Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Neuro means the whole system of our mind and how we process the information, the nervous system, right? Linguistic means the language of our mind, verbal and non-verbal. The pictures, the sounds, the words, smells, self-talk, all such things are the ways through which we give messages to our brain. And programming. Programming means making our mind ready to do actions and achieve desires. So basically, neuro-linguistic programming is all about programming your mind to achieve your goals or manifest your desires. There are many other techniques of NLP, but if you will ask me to recommend any one technique, then it will definitely be content reframing. Yes, it is because it really works on a deep mental level and allows us to see the brighter side of any situation. It allows you to check your thoughts and to turn them into positive ones. And in order to reframe your beliefs or thoughts, you need to first know what exactly framing is. Framing is when you create some beliefs, some ideas or thoughts about the people, about yourself, about the world, about the situations, circumstances, or maybe events. And the meaning you assign to all these circumstances or people or the things that you face in your life, the meaning that you give to yourself, the meaning that you give to this whole world, or how you see this world. All such meanings create your beliefs, your thoughts, and your ideas. And these meanings are the frames that can be positive or negative. And when they are positive, they inspire you. They will fill you up with all life energy, and they expand your opportunities. But when they are negative, they demotivate you, they depress you, they limit your opportunities and stop you from achieving your goals. So all you need to do is to reframe the content. No matter how negative, no matter how helpless or depressed you are, no matter how much worse the situation you are facing, and no matter how bad people you are encountering in your life, this technique will help you out at every step of your life to be positive and stand like a strong rock that can bear all the hits of rains, all the storms and flashes of lightning. It will help you to change the meaning of any situation, to view things from a different perspective, and to empower yourself like never before. So let's say your relationship ended recently, and now most of you will feel and will say that it is common to feel sad and depressed after a breakup. For most people, breakups are the end of their lives. And for others, it brings depression, anxiety, pain, negativity, and self-harm thoughts. Well, this is only the surface level to see your breakup. So let's reframe this situation. Say to yourself and think, now I am single and there is nothing to feel sorry about it. Breakup happened? Okay. Now what's next? Now I am open to other opportunities for relationships. I might get a better partner who will truly understand me. And if this relationship ended, this doesn't mean that I don't deserve to be loved. This relationship taught me many things, and this will really help me out to be even better in the future. Just because it's a bad chapter of my life doesn't mean my whole life is going to be bad. So you see how things can change in a matter of seconds. What you did, you just reframed your breakup experience. You looked at it from a different perspective, or you assign it a different and positive meaning. And once you will do it, the breakup will be a different experience for you. Similarly, when people lose their jobs, they panic and feel extremely depressed and think that they are ruined now. When you are fired from your workplace, then tell to yourself, no matter how tough it will be, I'll get through this hard phase and will remain positive. It is just a part of my life. I will learn from my mistakes and will try not to repeat them in the future. Besides, this workplace has taught me a lot. And those who supported me taught me that success cannot be achieved alone. And those who criticized me or bad-mouthed me, they taught me how to tackle people of their kind in my life. Those who made my work situations tough for me, they taught me how to do work even under extreme pressure and extreme challenges. All these things that I have learned from here will help me out in the future. And this is definitely not my end. It is just my new beginning. Just change the meaning and dive deeper below the surface. Try to see the hidden things behind every situation, every circumstances, and you will see a brighter side of the situation. And once you start focusing on the positive side of any situation in your life, then you will manifest anything you want. Try this technique once and notice what you will feel. Share your experiences with me in this comment section below. Thank you very much for your time.